Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the latest addition to Samsung's prestigious Galaxy Book series, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro. This 14-inch laptop is packed with cutting-edge features that promise to redefine your computing experience. Stick around as we explore everything this powerhouse has to offer. Hi everyone, I'm Realtecshop, and today we're taking a closer look at Samsung's latest masterpiece, the Galaxy Book4 Pro. From its ultra-fast Intel Core i7 processor to its breathtaking 3K AMOLED touchscreen, this laptop is designed to impress. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro and see what comes inside. Opening the box, we're greeted with the laptop itself, securely packaged. Alongside the laptop, we have the power adapter, a USB-C cable, and some documentation. The packaging is minimalist yet elegant, reflecting the premium nature of the product. The first thing you'll notice is the laptop's sleek design. The Moonstone Gray finish gives it a sophisticated look, and it's incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Let's take a closer look at the design and build quality. The Galaxy Book4 Pro features a stunning Moonstone Gray finish that exudes elegance. Its ultra-slim profile and lightweight design make it an ideal companion for both work and travel. The build quality is exceptional, with a robust chassis that feels both premium and durable. The laptop is just 0.5 inches thick and weighs only 2.8 pounds, making it one of the most portable 14-inch laptops on the market. Despite its slim profile, it doesn't compromise on connectivity options. On the sides, you'll find a variety of ports, including USB-C, HDMI, and a microSD card slot, providing you with all the flexibility you need. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Book4 Pro is its 3K AMOLED touchscreen display. With a resolution of 2880 by 1800, this screen delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it perfect for both productivity and entertainment. The 14-inch AMOLED display is truly a sight to behold. The colors are incredibly vivid, and the contrast is unmatched. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or simply browsing the web, this screen will elevate your viewing experience to a whole new level. Under the hood, the Galaxy Book4 Pro is powered by the Intel Core i7 Ultra processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking capabilities. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, this laptop can handle everything from intensive workloads to casual gaming with ease. The Intel Core i7 processor in this machine is a beast. It handles multiple applications and heavy tasks without breaking a sweat. The 16 GB of RAM ensures smooth performance, even when you're running several programs simultaneously. Plus, the 512 GB SSD provides ample storage and quick boot times. Security is a top priority for the Galaxy Book4 Pro. It comes equipped with advanced security features, including a fingerprint scanner and facial recognition, to keep your data safe and secure. With the built-in fingerprint scanner and Windows Hello facial recognition, logging into your laptop is not only secure but also incredibly convenient. Your personal data and files are protected with the latest security technology, giving you peace of mind. Battery life is crucial for a portable laptop, And the Galaxy Book4 Pro doesn't disappoint. With a battery that can last up to 10 hours on a single charge, you can work, play, and create without constantly worrying about finding an outlet. I've been using this laptop for a full day, and the battery life is impressive. Whether you're working on the go or binge watching your favorite series, this laptop will keep up with you all day long. The Galaxy Book4 Pro runs on Windows 11, offering a user-friendly interface and a host of productivity features. Samsung has also included some of their own software enhancements to further improve the user experience. Windows 11 is smooth and intuitive on this laptop. Samsung's additional software, like Samsung DeX and Quick Share, makes it easier to connect and share with other Samsung devices, creating a seamless ecosystem experience. The Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro is a remarkable laptop that combines powerful performance, stunning visuals, and advanced security in a sleek and portable package. It's designed to meet the needs of a wide range of users, from professionals to casual users. In conclusion, the Galaxy Book4 Pro is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a high-performance laptop with a gorgeous display and robust security features. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves top-notch technology, this laptop won't disappoint. Thanks for watching our in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. If you have any questions or thoughts about this laptop, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy computing!